back to social science class. Students, we have completed 6 units. Today, we are going to learn the 7th unit. This unit is based on economics. The name of the unit is Economic Thought. So, let's begin. Have you ever noticed the nature of human wants? As soon as one gets satisfied, another crops up. Students, in your early classes, you have learnt about production. Do you remember? Yes. Production is the process of creating goods and services for satisfying our needs. Students, now look at these pictures. What activities are the people engaged in? Can you observe and find out? Yes. Agriculture, regulating traffic, people working in factories, doctor treating patient. Students, do you remember what are the factors of production and their rewards? Yes. Land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur are the factors of production. Rent is the reward of land. Wage is the reward of labor. Interest is the reward of capital. Profit is the reward of the entrepreneur. Man satisfies his wants through the consumption of goods and services. The reward received by participating in the production process is spent on consumption. Therefore, there is a correlation between production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Economics is a branch of science that studies economic activities relating to production, distribution, and consumption. Economic decisions are taken by analyzing the basic problems in an economy. Let us see what these problems are. The fundamental problems faced by an economy. Students, please listen to this description. A meeting was held in Varun school to decide how to utilize the 1-acre land available in the campus. Many suggestions emerged, but the idea of utilizing the land for farming received the maximum support. Though rice and plantain cultivation were discussed, finally it was decided to grow vegetables. Varun and his friends were overjoyed by the idea of growing vegetables as it gave them an opportunity to give pesticide-free and cheap vegetables to the villagers. Varun was entrusted with the responsibility of making a detailed plan about the area of the land that should be brought under cultivation, the types of vegetables to be cultivated, the method of cultivation, and care to be given the beneficiaries, etc. This is an example for the fundamental problems faced by an economy. In the above example, we have discussed the basic problems in an economy. There are 3 essential questions associated with every economic activity. Yes, they are: what to produce and how much to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Answers to these questions decide the relevance of economic activities, what to produce and how much to produce. Since resources are limited, it's important to produce goods with the available resources that will serve the society in the most advantageous manner. Society has several wants, but There are not enough resources to fulfill everyone's needs. Hence, the questions what to produce, in what quantities are highly significant. Food, shelter, clothing, hospitals, schools, etc. should be made available according to the wants of the society. There should exist a balance between the wants of the society and the quantity of a product. How to produce? This denotes the method of production. How to produce is decided on the basis of the availability of resources and technology. For example, the services of laborers or machines can be utilized for agricultural activities like preparing land for cultivation, sowing, weeding, manuring, harvesting, and threshing. The selection of a particular method is decided on the basis of available resources in an area. For whom to produce? Production is undertaken to satisfy the wants of the society. Human wants are unlimited. As soon as one gets satisfied, another crops up. However, we may not have the necessary resources to satisfy all our needs. Therefore, it's important to prioritize our wants. We must plan production activities in such a way that it benefits the maximum number of individuals in the society. It's also important how the income generated is distributed. The total income generated is distributed as interest on capital, profit of the entrepreneur, wages of the labor, and rent of the land. Hope you all understood what we learned today. We will meet in the next class with the rest of the topics. Study well. Thank you.